For long documents, a table of contents can be really useful to just be able to jump to the place you want to be. How do you create one quickly? Let's take a look how. Okay, I have a document and it's actually fairly small, 5 pages, but actually a table of contents can be quite nice because it has a lot of different sections and headings. So I'd be able to jump through the document quickly. I have done this with documents that are even over 100 pages, and it is so easy when you know how. So there are 2 ways to do it. One way is if you haven't used the built-in features to make it easy, then you have to do it all by hand. I do not recommend that, and we're not looking at that. If you would like me to cover that, then please do put that in the comments below, and I will create a video on how to manually create a table of contents. This is a quick way. So the first thing is that when you add headings and titles into your document, you need to use the built-in styles. You can format them whatever way you want, and there should be a video hopefully up at the top that talks about how to apply formatting quickly, so use styles. Okay, and these can be customized, so they look exactly how you want. So in this case, this is heading 1, and I know because I look in styles and I can see it there. So all you do is you click on the style that you want and it applies it. In this case, I've already done this, but if I hadn't, say I wanted to add another one here. You can see it's normal. That's just the default paragraph. I change it to paragraph 2. There we go. It formats it. Great. Now, by using that throughout the document, and as I said, you can format them or have them looking exactly how you want, and you can do that quickly. But now I'd like to add a table of contents. And because I've done this, table of contents is going to be a snap. Now I go up to the references tab, there you go, and then into table of contents, and you can see there are automatic table of contents here, and they say heading 1, 2, 3. Okay, and this one says chapter title. I'm just going to use this top one, and there we go, it's added it in just like that. And then if I went and I changed something, say I wanted to get rid of that importance, I thought, actually I don't want that. This does not automatically update. I can either click on it and press F9, or I can update field. And there we go, you can see it's taken it out. Easy. So that's inserting a table of contents. I'm just going to, I'm going to click into it. I'm going to go up to table of contents, and there is custom table of contents. There's also remove. I'm going to remove this one. Then I'm going to add in a custom table of contents. And this brings up a pop-up which has several tabs at the top. And if you like videos on these features, Index is fantastic for large or detailed documents, technical documents. I have written many 100-page training manual in the past, and I've used indexing a lot. So if you're interested in videos on that, do type that in the comments. Same with table of figures, table of authorities. Put a comment down below if you would like me to do a video on those. And you can see I have my preview, I have a web preview. Do I want the page numbers? No, yes. Do I want to right align them or put them right after? Do I want a leader tab? Now a leader tab is these dots between the text and the number. So I can go through and change it to different styles or have nothing. It's completely up to you. I'm going to try something different this time. Formats, do I want it from the template? Do I want classic, distinctive? Now do try this as when you're going through your own document, they can look a little different. Okay, and how many heading levels do I want to use? 4, 5, etc. Or do I just want to go 2 or 1? I'm going to go 2. I want to use hyperlinks instead of page numbers on the web, and that way people can click and they click through. There's even more options in options and modify. If you'd like me to cover those, just put a comment down below and I'll create a video and link it through to this one. So then I just click on OK, and there we go. There is my document. It looks like I have only used one heading 1, and it just means I can then go through the document, add in more headings, and then remember, right mouse click, update field. If I toggle the field code, you can see it comes through, and I can keep toggling, and it starts looking a bit funny, but you just toggle again and it brings everything back. Okay, so if you accidentally do that, but remember, update field updates it. And if it has a lot of changes, it may pop up and ask you if you just want to update the numbers or the whole table. It's up to you. Great. If you have any questions, put them below in the comments. And if you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, please do click on the thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos, do subscribe to the channel. I should have a link up here and here for subscribing to the channel and a video if you're interested. Take care and have a fantastic day. Bye for now.